Hi there, cosmic explorers. Buckle up because we're about to take a mind-bending journey through time and space. Today, we're diving into the greatest mystery of all, how our universe came to be. But don't worry, we're not just rehashing the same old story. We're going to spice things up with some fresh perspectives and fun analogies. Let's kick things off with a wild thought. What if the universe was a cosmic kitchen? Stick with me here. It's going to get interesting. Imagine the pre-universe as a perfectly organized kitchen. Everything has its place. All the ingredients are neatly stored, and there's potential for something amazing to be created. This is our cosmic egg, the singularity that existed before the Big Bang. Now, picture a chef, let's call them the grand chef of existence, deciding to whip up the most elaborate dish ever conceived, the universe itself. They take this cosmic egg and crack it open with such force that it doesn't just make a mess in the kitchen, it creates the kitchen itself. This is our Big Bang moment. But instead of a bang, think of it as the ultimate kitchen explosion. Ingredients flying everywhere, new flavors being created on the spot, and the very concept of space and time coming into existence. In the first few moments, we're talking tiny fractions of a second. The universe was like a pot of water just starting to boil. Bubbles of space-time began to form and expand rapidly. Scientists call this the inflationary period, but I like to think of it as the universe's souffle moment. It puffed up faster than you can say Michael and Star. Now, here's where things get really interesting. In our traditional understanding, we often think of the universe expanding into, well, something, but what if it's more like the universe is baking its own oven as it expands? Mind-bending, right? As our cosmic souffle cooled down, it started to form the first elements. Hydrogen and helium, the universe's equivalent of flour and eggs, the basic ingredients for everything else. But here's a fun fact that'll blow your mind. The helium created in those first few minutes is still around today. That's right, some of the helium in your party balloons is almost as old as the universe itself, moving on to the cosmic dark ages, a period when the universe was just a vast expanse of neutral gas. Sounds boring, right? But think of it like a blank canvas. It's not much to look at, but it's full of potential. This is where the universe started to get creative. Gravity, the universe's artist, began to work its magic. It started pulling gas together, creating denser regions. These would eventually become the first stars and galaxies. It's like watching dots of paint slowly spread and connect on a canvas, forming a beautiful cosmic web. Speaking of webs, let's talk about the structure of our universe. We used to think galaxies were randomly distributed like raisins in a pudding, but recent observations have shown something far cooler. Galaxies are arranged in a vast cosmic web with long filaments of galaxies, massive galaxy clusters at the intersections, and vast voids in between. Imagine you're an ant living on the surface of a chocolate chip cookie. From your perspective, the chocolate chips, galaxies, might seem randomly placed. But if you could zoom out, you'd see they form a pattern across the cookie's surface. That's kind of like our place in the cosmic web. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the dark matter in the universe. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but we know it's there. It's like the universe's invisible scaffolding, shaping the formation of galaxies and clusters. Some scientists have even suggested that dark matter might be bleeding in from other dimensions. Talk about a cosmic plot twist. And let's not forget about dark energy, the mysterious force causing the universe's expansion to accelerate. It's like the universe is on a cosmic treadmill that's speeding up instead of slowing down. Why? We don't know yet. It's one of the biggest puzzles in modern cosmology. Here's a mind-bending thought. What if our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic bubble bath? This idea, known as the multiverse theory, suggests there could be countless other universes out there, each with its own laws of physics. Imagine a universe where gravity repels instead of attracts, or where time runs backwards. As we wrap up our cosmic journey, let's zoom back to our pale blue dot, Earth. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a star. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, it's all stardust. You're not just in the universe is in you. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just observing the universe, you're the universe observing itself. How's that for a cosmic perspective? And there you have it, folks. The universe's wild ride from cosmic egg to galactic web, with a few detours through the cosmic kitchen and art studio. Remember, in the grand cosmic cookbook, we're still in the early chapters. Who knows what mind-bending discoveries are waiting for us in the next page turn of cosmic history? Keep wondering, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions. After all, that's what got us from gazing at the stars to understanding our cosmic origins. Until next time, stay curious, cosmic explorers.